As a realtor, you're probably the independent type. You like to make your own decisions, do your own thing. Maybe you'd even like to create your own marketing package. Homes and Land has been marketing real estate for close to 40 years, so we'll offer a little advice on what you'll need to do. Print advertising is a great way to market yourself and your listings. The first thing you need is a professionally designed ad. People have to see your ad, so you'll need to print thousands of copies. Then you'll have to distribute your ad. We recommend a minimum of 500 distribution points. If you want grocery store distribution, get your checkbook out. Next, you'll need to do some direct mailing. Find a vendor and buy a list of people that might be in the market for real estate. 500 mailings should be sufficient at a cost of about $1 a piece. Then there's online exposure. We recommend posting your listings on at least 25 high-traffic websites. Get ready to spend on those big-name sites like New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and DuPont Registry. It's also a good idea to promote your listings overseas. enormo.com does that. That'll cost you too. Video tours are essential, so get yourself a good camera and editing software, create the videos, then post them on YouTube. Don't forget to post your listings on Facebook and Twitter too. QR codes are also hot. Make sure you create a QR code for all of your print advertising. Don't forget about your home sellers. They need to know what you're doing to market their home. If your marketing is effective, home sellers may even introduce you to family and friends who also have real estate needs. But if your marketing isn't effective, well... Finally, a complete marketing package also includes a personal website, custom flyers, exposure on smartphones, access to relocating home buyers, reprints, lead management, banner ads, and a digital magazine. That's it. Might take a little time, and a good chunk of change too. In fact, it may take more time and money than you want to spend. There is another solution. Homes and Land delivers all of this and more at a very affordable price. Contact your Homes and Land publisher. Learn how our integrated marketing package generates leads, wins listings, and builds your personal brand.